ever just get down on your knees and thank God that you know me?
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I have not talked about Mara stock in a long time. We're going to go over Mara, Riot, and the other Bitcoin miners. Might as well talk it. We're going to touch on the Bitcoin mining sector as a whole, because I believe if Bitcoin starts pumping here, if it bottoms out here, we should get a nice move from 8s to 12s, which can be about a 50% move, by the way, on Mara. With Bitcoin pumping, Mara, Riot, and all the other Bitcoin mining stocks will follow. So let's just start with an overview of the Bitcoin mining sector. Let me go to the Bitcoin mining sector. I believe it's WGC, or is it WGMI? Yeah, WGMI, the CoinShares Bitcoin Mining ETF. So this is the sector ETF. This is the ETF that you want to add to your watch list. If you don't got this, if you're someone that trades Bitcoin miners and you're not keeping track of the whole sector by watching the WGMI CoinShares Bitcoin Miner Sector ETF, I don't know what to tell you. Like, how can you be a trader of Bitcoin mining stocks and not keep an eye on the sector as a whole? But you can see clearly this whole sector has been sideways. It's a little concerning that it might break down, but historically speaking, you can see it's stuck in a box. It's the classic buy low, sell high. I already bought some Riot stock. I know some of you bought some Mara stock. That's awesome. I'm glad you're buying when they're discounted, when the sector as a whole is at a low, right? You don't want to be buying Riot, Mara, CLSK, and all these other Bitcoin miners up here. What the hell is that? You like buying high, hoping it goes higher? Well, you must be stupid, because goddamn, it just comes back down. So, congratulations, pat yourself on the back if you're doing the classic buy low, sell high. So, let's see. It's down here. Buyers showed up. It's at a clear support level. We have come down here and buyers continue to hold this level. So, and it looks like we might be forming a bullish falling wedge. Let me just, let's see. So here, all right, guys, you got to hit that like and subscribe button for this technical analysis. Yeah, that looks like a bullish falling wedge. So we would get a breakout, but what's important is that Bitcoin itself breaks out. If Bitcoin breaks out, well, the Bitcoin mining ETF is going to follow. No, and we know that if the sector ETF is pumping, well, guess what? Mara, Riot, they're going to get going too. So keep an eye on Mara here. I think it's a buy. I think it's a buy here with a sell target of 12, 15, and 20 for potential 50 to 100%. That's usually what we aim for. We aim for 50 to 100%. Hit that like and subscribe buttons, because you're going to make 50 to 100%. You got to believe that. Join the Discord, patreon.com/ShadesandTrades. Use code Easter50 to join 50% off today. All right. So you can see nice. Whoa, guys. Do you see that? Ooh, very ominous. It hit a low of 666. Ooh, dun. Maybe the devil is in this stock, which is probably a good thing if the devil is in this stock, because he thinks it's time to go long. But yeah, isn't that crazy that it hit a low of 666? That's pretty damn crazy. All right, so Mara stock, I just gave you the buy target. I think it's a buy. Now, sell target of 12, 15, 18, 20. Write that down. I'm giving you the game plan, guys. This ain't like those other channels. Those other channels, they just got a beautiful guy talking about stocks and everyone watches him because he's got a nice face. No, that's some bullshit. We're here to make money, not here to look at nice faces. Why do you think I'm not on camera? Who gives a shit about my face? We're here to make money. We're here to make money. All right, let's move on from Mara stock. I already gave you the play. I do want to look at the weekly time frame here real quick. I mean, wow, is that divergence? I'm seeing some divergence here on the RSI. Like, the price has been going lower, but the RSI is just sideways. Huh. Monthly time frame. Yeah, this is a big level here. We got to hold. If we don't hold and break above 10, it's not a good look. But if we can hold and break above 10, we're just going to start, it's going to turn bullish. Again, if Bitcoin turns bullish, miners are going to turn bullish. That's just how it is. So that is it for the analysis on Mara stock. Let's take a look at Riot stock as well, because I like Riot. I did buy some Riot down here. at 15s, not scared, not concerned, right? We're not going to time everything exactly the bottom, right? I don't understand people who think they're going to time the absolute bottom. Nvidia bought APLD at like $5 or $3. They didn't time the bottom. They did not time the bottom. They didn't buy it at $1. They didn't time the bottom. They didn't even sell at the top. If Nvidia, a big company like that, can't even time the bottom and top in the markets, what makes you think you are? You know, the whole point I'm trying to make is, don't try to time things dollar cost average into your favorite plays. Hold for the sell targets. You're going to make your money. As long as you're buying good companies, I think you will be fine. If you're buying garbage, that's if you're buying Mullen stock, Bed Bath & Beyond stock, GameStop stock, AMC stock, all that other garbage that just keeps going down or sideways. I think GME's going sideways, right? At 20s, 20 to 30. I think it bounces around if I recall. If you're buying stocks like that, you're taking a little more unnecessary risk, right? Trading is already hard. Why make it harder by trading garbage? Let's trade where it just keeps going sideways, what's got clear support and resistance. Let's make it easy. All right, Riot stock. It's already at 1475 overnight. Again, if Bitcoin gets pumping, if Bitcoin goes to 80K, you better believe Riot stock is going to go to 17, 18, 19, 20, and a lot of you are going to be like, I should have bought down here when it was cheap. So you can either buy it and flip it as it keeps going up and make hundreds of dollars that way, or you can buy a swing position and hold for the sell targets that I'm about to give you. So the sell targets here, if you are going to buy with me here at around 15, 14s, my sell targets would be 1850 and 23. Any sooner, you can go ahead and flip it at 17s if you want, but I think it's better to shoot for 18 to 23. In that range, just look to sell and take profit. You can also just flip it, like I said, just buy 100, 300 shares, flip it every dollar that it goes up, make your quick 300, rinse and repeat. It's up to you how you want to play it. Maybe you have two accounts, one where you just flip stocks and one where you swing trade. So, up to you how you want to go about it. Up to you. But this is looking fantastic. Again, if the Bitcoin mining sector as a whole is going to start pumping, this is nothing more than a buy opportunity. And this is a monthly time frame. Let's switch over to the weekly. Let's see what the weekly has to say. Let's go to the daily. Daily time frame. Buyers did show up. But again, it's all about what Bitcoin's going to do. If Bitcoin pumps, this thing will pump, and it should go back to 1530s. Then from there, it would go back to 1650, then 1730. So those are the shorter term levels to look out for. Anyways, if you zoom out on Riot stock, it's pretty much, the same thing as any other Bitcoin miner, right? It's just going sideways. This is easy, guys. Again, as long as you're not buying high, right? If you're buying the top every single time, well, you look dumb, right? You're just like, I don't know why you're buying high. It's in a clear range. I think Bitcoin has bottomed out. I know that sounds crazy to say, but I think it's bottomed out. And you can bookmark this video and then you can laugh at me later if I'm wrong. But if I'm right, you better be like, holy crap, how did you know? And I'm going to tell you, it's not that I knew, it's just that we have tanked pretty hard, right? Like, we've tanked a lot. Bitcoin from 120,000s to where it is right now, that's a lot of drop. We know stocks can't go up forever, just like they can't go down forever. So eventually we will reverse, and I believe this is the bottom. I believe people are being way too pessimistic. We're going to go to 50K. We're going to go to 30K. When people start being overly pessimistic like that, usually marks bottom. That's at least my theory. Could be wrong. I'm just telling you what I think. And I'll leave it at that. I gave you the buy targets, sell targets. We talked about Riot and Mar. Those are my favorites. Riot being the one that I'm focused on right now. You know what to do. If you make money, let me know in the future if you make money on these plays. Again, patreon.com/shadesandtrades if you want to join the Discord. Easter 50% off to join the Discord. That is it. I'll see you guys in the next one.